Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning, and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna, and this morning we're rounding out FFA week and visiting with Riley Hudnall. She's a member of the Warren East FFA chapter. Good morning, Riley.
Good morning, Joanna.
Well, Riley, start off by telling me a little bit about Riley.
I'm a junior at Warren East, and I serve as the secretary of our FFA chapter. I come from a family farm of many generations in Riverside, Kentucky, where we raise market hogs and grow corn and soybeans.
You know, a lot of times people think that FFA is just for farm kids, and you would fit that bill, but there's a lot of kids that maybe aren't from a farming background that can still get a lot out of FFA.
There's so much to do in FFA. It's not all about farming. You go in there, some people take ag classes not knowing anything, and they leave there wanting to be a vet or just anything ag related. It's crazy.
Because there are a lot of activities to do in FFA. It seems like there's something to do all the time. And I know that you've been involved with a lot of different activities, but tell us maybe about a couple of your favorites.
I would have to have two favorites. My first favorite would be parliamentary procedure competition, which is kind of a debate team and such, and where I serve as chair and I lead debates. So I have to memorize like all the rules, and it's a lot of practice time, but it's worth it. And then my second one would have to be FFA week, obviously, because it's so much fun. We get to bring joy to our members and our school and celebrate the history of FFA through dress-up days and fun, friendly competitions, even though we do have to modify this year, but we still hope to have that fun.
You mentioned parliamentary procedure, and I know a lot of FFA alumni go into jobs or workplaces or organizations, and those skills learned by learning how to run a meeting and how a meeting flows is so important in their future life. Do you feel that FFA has provided you with some of those skills that you'll use later in life?
For sure. FFA has helped me get over my fear of public speaking. I used to never want to speak in front of a crowd. If somebody told me to get up there and talk, I would never have been able to. But now I jump at any opportunity I can. I've discovered that I have different type of leadership skills than I thought I did. I thought maybe leadership was telling people what to do. And now I'm like, no, I got to work with them. I got to do that too.
And public speaking, that is the number one fear of most adults, Riley. So if you've got that tackled, then you've tackled the number one fear. And I think that is what they know FFA for, the speaking competitions, and a lot of those members coming out being excellent speakers. But you mentioned leadership, and you mentioned you're having to run the parliamentary procedure team, chair that, and all the different activities and events and leadership skills that you gain through FFA. Now, if you're talking to a freshman member or somebody just coming into high school, what would you say? Why would you encourage them to join FFA?
Well, there are so many benefits of FFA. As nervous as I was my freshman year to join, I am so happy I did, because FFA has allowed me to explore out of my comfort zone into a world of opportunities that I didn't even know existed. It allowed me to discover who I am and who I want to become and what career I want to pursue.
Riley, I know that you're a junior. You have one more year left in high school, and what do you hope? There's been a lot of things in the year and a half that with COVID that we've not been able to do, but next year, what do you hope for your last year at Warren East for FFA?
Okay, I hope to attend national and state convention because I've never attended one, and I was hoping for my last 2 years to, but since it was all canceled this year, I didn't get to this year. And I'm hoping that our first year members that we have this year come back to us next year, even though we haven't been able to have freshman retreats or just as many events and fun activities as we usually do.
And so, Riley, I certainly appreciate you visiting with me this morning. I hope that you have a great rest of this year, and I hope that you get to attend those conventions next year. And so certainly appreciate it. And we certainly appreciate you watching and coming along with us celebrating FFA week this year. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.